Hey everybody, we're back in elemental pillars. So today we'll just be like we're gonna get this area. We have to get that, so I'm gonna try doing this as fast as I can. I want to make more shorter videos. Come on. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just gonna try getting to there. Okay. We will be kind of like doing this really fast. Oh, I have a block. Okay. So we are going to just get a bunch of stuff. I need more of that. I need 539,000. That is not what I want. What is huge pillar? We have a block. We have 2.25 blocks. Okay, so wait. Boom. That's maxed. Our first max thing. Now we can start getting this quicker. We need to upgrade nodes. Nodes is what's gonna help us. I do see there's fire block, collect a fire block and collect an ice block, but that costs 1 trillion and 1 quintillion. Quadrillion. No, quintillion. I just got a 50% node gain, and I almost have 1 million. There, I have 1 million. That's a lot. I got huge pillar. Oh, maybe that's what huge pillar is. Boosting nodes. Okay. Quadrillion nodes? Whoa, wait, what? That was crazy. Moving on. Yeah, first we're gonna buy that. Wait, could I just do this? Wait, no. First we need to get you. Yeah, and then get it to max. Okay. It's not really profitable. We do need to get that fully maxed. Fully maxed. Okay, how much nodes are we getting? 152,000. That's good. So this stud boost clicks. Okay. You get 7. Okay. We have to do this quickly. Okay. That is not good. 8. We're gonna have to boost that up a bit. Like a lot. I need 17 mil. That is my next goal. No. I'm just gonna do this for a bit. .94 per second. That's good. Okay, so I have 800,000 a second. I'm gonna get you. Let's boost you up. Okay, I have been a bit quiet. Yeah, I'm not gonna be that quiet anymore. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna try stacking clicks and studs to get more of that. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick AFK. Okay guys, so I have 1 billion, so we can buy this. Now all we have to do is just grind this until we get a which we need. Every 3 we get, oh, there, a nature bug. We have wood upgrades now, and yeah, so see ya.